Okay, I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth audio system in this 2014 Volvo V70. The first thing we do, we make sure Bluetooth is on at the top there. Over to the system, click on telephone. No phone connected, and OK to connect. Now, initially you think you're supposed to turn to OK to connect, but that's not the case. It's on no phone connected, we click OK. And now search new phone, make discoverable, or connect to another phone that's already connected. So we click search. Searching for Bluetooth devices. Make sure your device is discoverable. It is. Exit to cancel. So we're just waiting here. Taking its time, but to be fair, I've just deleted it off here. So there we go, Barry's iPhone 13 Pro. That's the one we want to connect. So turn that down to my phone, highlight it, click OK. Connect for phone, click OK. And we're waiting for, there you go, pairing request to come up. 63377, pair 63377, OK to confirm, so OK. Allow contacts and favourites to sync, allow. Connected, let's just find it on here. My V70 connected. That's it.